Ooh-wee, cuz.
Ooh-wee.
Look at him. You said you want to pick with
Let
that.
me show you how to catch it, clean it, cook it. Ooh-wee, baby, this is how we catfish, baby. This is how we catfish, baby. Ooh-wee,
Baby.
baby. Ooh-wee.
Oh, them birds are going. Birds are calling. Them birds are calling. They saying, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Them birds are calling. Is that an ooh-wee? Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, birds. Let's go, let's go. I see you. Birds are calling. God, them birds are calling. I told you. God, doggy birds. I love you. I love you, birds. I love you. Birds bring fish. Come on over here, I got you. I'm sorry. I know you seen them birds, didn't you? You seen them birds. Them birds got you. Yeah. Birds! Birds! God! Birds! Ah, he moving fast. Let's get him. Them birds. Catfish is black. Woo! That is a dark blue right there. Some birds knew I wanted a dark blue. You are, man. Where you from? Africa? India? Get that sun. God, dog it. Birds, y'all. That's what them birds do. Now that's a blue. You see that color? Now that's a blue. What is this? This is a, God dog. This is a black blue. He's from Africa. Man, you the darkest blue I ever seen. Ooh-wee, baby. I love when the birds are calling. Hey, like you gonna jump out. Calm down. I'm saying my slogan. That was rude of you. See? Then you want to be over here all acting up, looking like this. Hey, baby. Got him. Them blues. We still getting them, y'all. God, dog. I gotta set up this camera another way so y'all can see me. Oh, man. Ooh-wee, baby. We already getting them in. Ooh-wee, baby. Yes, sirree. That's how we doing it. Oh, they want to eat catfish. We got bluegill for you. We got shad. And we got a little baby channel. Whatever you want, big boy, you gonna get it. Oh, another one. Oh, man. Another one. Oh, man. I gotta keep these big monsters right here. Oh, stay hooked for me. Y'all over here doing all of this. Now I got to get my doggone. Okay, get this out. Somebody trying to join you, fish. I'm sorry. Somebody just want to join you. It's probably your big brother. That's what I'm hoping for. He got it bent. Ah. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on back up. Come on, come on. Come on back. Come on back. Gotcha. Ooh, catfish. Gotcha. Got you off that catfish. Told you it was your brother coming in to join you. Ooh. Yes, they is. Man. Boy, told you. Catfish again. Ooh, baby. Took me a minute to catfish catching catfish. Wow. Boy. Whew, whew, whew. We're not playing with y'all today. One on this one too. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Damn it. Come on up. Shit, big ass fish. God damn. I got your ass. Woo. We ain't done. Got you still. Oh man. It's time for me to get off this lake. It's too many fish. I'm tired. My arm hurts. My arm hurt. It's time for me to get off. Gotta let these other boats, future captains, whatever they may be. Woo! I gotta let them get some, cause these fish, my gosh, they telling me it's time to go. Yeah, I want to see them. Look at this boat. Oh my gosh. You bit me again. Damn it. You swallowed that bait. I can't get it. Ooh-wee, baby. It gets bigger, trust me. Ooh-wee, baby. It gets bigger. Trust me. Ooh-wee, baby. This is a big boy. Whew. He swallowed my bait, that's why he bleeding. Oh my God. Told y'all we get them big ones, y'all. Shoot. Hey y'all, Mr. Oooh-wee baby out here. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We got some more videos coming for you. Hey, we got the Oooh-wee website coming with the merch. Y'all know y'all see it. You know you see it, baby. And what? We got the monsters, them big boys. Hey, let me stop chatting. See you guys next video. Peace.